Oblalotak, Kanwik Pisi. Today is Thursday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try. Do our best. Cooperate with others and treat everyone with respect, including ourselves.
Our announcements for today are nice and short. Tomorrow, the eligibility list for grades 5 through 12 will be posted. So stay on the lookout. And tomorrow, see if your name's on the list. And don't worry, if you don't see your name or student ID number on the list, there'll be another eligibility check in the middle of January. Today, we are going to talk about the triune brain theory. The triune brain theory. The triune brain theory places an emphasis on three key brain regions consisting of the reptilian brain, also known as the brainstem, the limbic system, and the neocortex. Our reptilian brain, which again is the brainstem, is responsible for our survival instincts and our independent body processes such as breathing. Our limbic system, or kind of the midbrain, is often referred to as the emotional brain and is responsible for processing not only our emotions but conveying sensory information. This is where we find parts of the brain such as the hippocampus and the amygdala. And finally, we have the neocortex, which includes parts like the prefrontal cortex and the cerebral cortex, which is a structure that can be found in certain mammals and humans. This part of the brain is responsible for language abstraction, planning, and perception. As we enter into a fight, flight, freeze, or flop response, these different parts of the brain react in different ways. Tomorrow, we'll dive deeper into this and look at the top-down process and how it connects to these responses that are triggered as we enter into events of trauma. For today, here is another act of kindness that you can do at home, at school, or anywhere around the community. You can lend a helping hand to a friend or family member. If you do this, celebrate it with your friends, your family. These are great things to do, and I can't wait to hear how it goes. Before the assembly is over, I wish everyone a terrific Thursday. And here is our song of the week.
Điều nga te malingang ma, điều nga te malingang ma, wanga puik sa Kristo rokwang nun, điều nga te malingang.